Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your phone model and OS version so you know which menus to use. Once done, open Settings and check Sound, Media, and Do Not Disturb. Move sliders and test with headphones to isolate speaker versus system volume. Make sure to inspect the speaker grill for dust or lint. Gently brush or use low-pressure compressed air. If your phone has a case, remove it now. Cases can muffle sound. These initial steps separate software from hardware causes so you can proceed efficiently. You now tackle software routing and app interference. Restart the phone first. If problems persist, boot to safe mode to see if third-party apps are muting audio. Once done, clear cache and data for system sound or media apps, and reset audio preferences in settings so corrupted configs don't persist. Make sure Bluetooth isn't routing audio to a paired device. Disable Bluetooth and retest. If a particular app controls EQ or volume, update or reinstall it. These actions resolve most complex, software-driven volume issues. You're at the finish line. Back up your data, then perform a factory reset only if software fixes fail. This removes lingering configuration errors. Once reset, test speakers with a voice memo and multiple media files at different volume levels to confirm consistency. If sound remains low or distorted despite these steps, suspect hardware. Test with an external Bluetooth or wired speaker to confirm. If hardware is the issue, contact warranty or an authorized repair center. One tip: document tests so technicians reproduce the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.